Here we go. Coming up to you, turning to you. Holy crap! Holy dude! That's a 22 at least. God! This journey started in the 60s, and I have fished from Alaska to Florida, hunted the Arctic for caribou, and combed the coastlines of Kodiak and the Aleutian Islands in search of meaning and purpose. These excursions exemplify a deeper understanding of success beyond that of just catching fish or bagging big game. They are about the chase and learning who you are. They are about exploring, appreciating, and respecting the vast expanses of our nation's forests, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans, and finding our place in the universe. My name is Gene Quinney. These are my stories, this is my life, and these are my adventures. Old Faithful.
Oh, I'm not even remotely close to in the game.
No, me neither. It's funny how I got all those flashers and I always just go with this same flasher. I'm just a creature of habit, I reckon.
You like what you know and know what you like?
Yeah, or something like that. Either too stupid to change.
Looks like a good place to start.
No kidding. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go with a Coho killer.
What?
Yeah.
Put a green piece of herring out there.
I'm going Coho killer.
And we haven't got one yet. Going right into that school of fish.
Yeah.
Like this last time though, there wasn't. Remember, there was all that bait, and I'm like, I can't believe we're not catching anything.
What's taking you so long, Mike?
Like, boom.
You've been down there for 5 minutes already. That's a mess of fish right there.
Nice Coho.
That was badass, man. That thing came flying out of the water. Where's he going?
Oh, snap.
Oh, man. Yeah. Let's get the...
There's got to be a back for a wild fish.
Oh, here. I got it. At least that ball's out of the water.
I didn't see one when he fell.
Beautiful. Yeah, it is. That's a big one.
Yeah, I didn't see a fin either.
That is a nice one. Come on, baby.
Evaluating the net. Oh, wait a minute. I think I saw one.
Oh, come on. There we go. Whoa. He almost tried to jump out of the net. All right.
You got a fish, Gene?
Oh, that's a...
Like 6 inches behind the boat, you got a fish.
Okay. Yeah.
Hurry up.
Okay. Okay, I'm getting there.
Oh, he just got off.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
It was back there like 10 inches behind the boat.
That's what, yeah, that's where it was, just hanging right behind the motor. With the jumbo spoon and my circling flasher.
Well, good, you got a finger on his shot, man.
GoPro, keep recording.
Yeah. Don't fail me now. Hey, turn that camera on if you don't mind.
Yeah, we're ready. Be a no finner.
Feels like a decent size. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah. Okay, what do we got here, Brian? It's not a big one. Oh, if it doesn't have a fin, I might keep that thing. Whoa, it just came off.
I'm sticking the net
I know.
as far as I can. It's like, come on, Gene.
Looks like that guy is right underneath the rainbow.
Felt the thumbs up and it's like, well, I might as well fish on the way up.
Oh man, that was pretty cool.
You're doing something, you're reeling.
Yeah. Get you out of the way here in case we need to net something. Oh!
I was just about to tell you, look halfway decent for a coho.
Oh man! Fish on! Oh!
He's not there.
Ah! Oh, he's there! It's back! He's there! He's not there! He's there!
I wasn't feeling quite right.
Well, he might have came back to get it.
Coconut big.
Come here, buddy. Ooh, no fin.
No fin?
Oh, it's got a fin.
Okay, come over here. Come here, baby. Let me save your life. There you go. Need some keepers. We'd be done with our coho limit twice over. This is a decent fish. If it doesn't have a fin, that's coming in the boat. Oh. Check it out, Brian. What we got? What we got, mister? Oh, here we go. Coming to you. Coming to you. Yeah, he's gonna be dead by the time. That was a nice fish, too. Dang it. Did he wake up? Oh, he's on there. Oh, it's a mackerel. Here. There. There we go. Good job, Mike. Got a mackerel. Halibut bait.
Halibut bait. Or crab bait, or some kind of bait.
Holy.
Hopefully that one doesn't have a fin. That's a pretty nice fish. I saw it jump.
Yeah, I know. It's
Angry. That I saw.
See lots of scales loose though.
Nice one though.
It's a good one.
It's a little north and a little outside. A little bit here. Coho show.
Let me switch places. Ow!
32 Coho. We're going anywhere from 4.5.
All right.
Great big one.
Oh, it's a nice fish too. I got it. Wow, that is a jumper. Ho, ho, ho.
Got bit on the way in.
Oh, we got a double?
I did have a worm.
Are we on?
We got a double.
I might have found some fish.
Oh,
Watch your fish. Watch your fish. We're jacked up now.
uh-oh.
Oh, you're good.
You should probably get your rod over that way if you can.
I'm further out.
You should just simmer down.
Yeah, I'm just trying to help.
See your way in.
Well, he's closer, so we'll get your fishing first.
Coffee on channel 19.
What do you got there, mister? Move yourself up there a little bit. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Okay.
No. No fin on that guy. I need that net as soon as you can get your hook out of there. I don't see a fin on it.
Mine's last year, but
What's that?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I'll bring it right between the...
Sure. Mike is hooked up with a doozy. Oh, nice. Let me get my rod completely out of your way. Put it over here in Brian's way.
Scared me. After hit the service and I felt the fish.
I know, you felt it go slack?
No! Swim right to the net.
Held on the 20th tail.
Not a blocker, I don't think.
Yeah, it's on the
To the far.
quality today.
It's coming over the rail.
That's funny. You look at him out there and he looks tiny. but
Oh, yeah.
The closer
Oh,
he
look at that. That's nice. Woo, baby. Come here, fish.
It's gonna sit just like the other board.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice fish.
It ain't chrome, it ain't going home.
A few minutes later.
Oh, yeah. This is definitely not a coho.
Slow down for you.
It's a whale of a tail.
And we'll see if it's true.
We get all this for a 5-pound coho. I'm a little disappointed.
Well, I've never seen a 5-pound fish do that. And then run straight to the top like that.
Maybe a 7-pounder.
It's just a baby. It's a baby. Oh, oh yeah. That's my kind of baby. There she comes. Come on, baby. Oh, come on.
How many feet does it say now?
30. So it was right.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Not a big sploosh.
I don't think it's a small baby. If it's a baby, it's a big baby.
I've seen the somersaults, so I think
It is a spotty.
it's the right flavor. Oh, gee. That's over like 10 pounds. It's passing the fly strip.
I know.
This one passed the move. Oh, there's a little murky.
Okay, Brian, it's all up to you, buddy.
Gotta get it over here first, Chuck.
Flasher's behind it. You're like,
Oh,
definitely got black lips. It's gonna swim right to the head. When she lifts that up, it just does the right.
oh, come on.
She's gonna gain about another 10 feet.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty low.
Okay. Here we come. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Coming up to you, turning to you. Holy crap! Dude! Dude!
There's your 20-pounder right there.
That's a 22 at least. Yeah! Man! Wow!
Okay, you can see a little on here.
Oh,
Let's look at this area for a few.
Woo!
You got both the longer.
Okay.
Got some short.
Dude, look at that.
Might be a hook in his mouth.
Holy crap.
The side of his face is all picked up.
What's that?
The side of his face is all picked up.
Yeah. Is he whacked good enough? Okay. Wow. And it's a hatchery fish.
Yeah, right.
Oh, dude.
Now that might be a tool.
Dude.
Go get the delier. It's all you. I can tell you what it was. 23 or 24.
23, 24, yeah.
All right. All right, let's get the D-lyre on him.
Short one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What is it?
Between 22 and 23.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'd call it 23.
23 it is.
It's 30 pounds!
It's a 30 pounder.
It's like 30, 33, 34.
It's, I'd say 34, 35.
Super close.
Well, that was an exciting day. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Northwest Fishing Fanatics Offshore Adventures with Captain Mike, Fish Killer Brian.
Hooray!
Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, and I might see you on the water. Peace, love, tight lines, and take it easy. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos where you'll join us on the ocean catching kings and silver salmon, lakes catching kokanee trout and landlocked coho. We'll also be working our riverfront homestead and harvesting venison. Stay tuned for more fishing and hunting and outdoor adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching.